Hello guys, welcome to Monobi TV, and today I'm going to make a dinner for my family. So I just wanted to video this moment and show you guys how it goes. So here is my chicken. We're going to put it directly in the pan. Okay, I marinated it overnight, last night, for it to be ready today. I use spices. I use Maggi, persil, black pepper, oregano, and a little bit of curry. Okay, so get it. This is it. Okay, now I'm going to get it into the oven. So see you. So here is it, guys. The oven is preheat. I put it to 250 degrees just for the beginning, for it to get hot, and after I will lower it a little bit. Okay, get it. Okay, see you. Okay guys, so about after 40-30 minutes, look at my chickens, they are almost ready. I'm just going to leave it here for more like 10 minutes, So time to start with the french fries that I'm going to prepare to join these chickens. So we're here with the french fries, and I've got some spices to add a little bit of taste. So here's my black pepper, here is my curry, and here is my thyme, my oregano. So I'm going to do this. Okay, the chips are beautiful. I love it. So I'm gonna put my curry. Just put a little. It's just to give a flavor, Oh, I forgot to show you guys the salt. So here's it. I'm going to put my salt. And now my oregano. Black pepper. So now I'm just going to mix this up. Don't forget to wash your hands, before any cooking style, just for with this coronavirus period as well. Okay. Ready. Okay, so now I'm going to put my french fries in the deep fryer and wait for it. Here we go. So the first one. Okay, so I'm going to leave it to get ready, and I'll be back really soon. So guys, after about 10 minutes, they are ready. I love them, really. They're so clean. Okay, let's get this started. Okay guys, this is it. The chicken and my french fries, everything, and I added some ketchup and mayonnaise, and this is perfect. So I'm going to put it inside the oven for my family later. So just leave your thumb up, subscribe on the notification bell, and stay tuned. Bye, see you.